So guys, here is it one more video admin came on the LeetCode Camp channel, and in today's video we are covering our question number 529 by the name of Minesweeper. Okay, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, and you will get all the notification bell also, so so these type of videos on this channel. And we are covering a medium one question, and there are some of the topics which are included in today's topic, like array depth first search, array depth first search, and binary breadth first search, and matrix. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. Guys, here you see one more LeetCode Camp video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving our 529 question by the name of Minesweeper. So now let's start to solve a 529 question by the name of Minesweeper. So let's start to solve it without wasting our any time. Now let's play the one Minesweeper game. Here in the Wikipedia or in the online game you can play it, and if you click on the online game, and in the online game it has been opened. Let me see. So it is taking a time. Okay, it is not opening. Let's see. In the Wikipedia it is not opening, so let's quit it. Okay, it has been opened. Now in the Minesweeper, you can see in the Wikipedia you can play a one Minesweeper game. Here you can see it. Now it has been given me a one MXN chart matrix board, which is representing the game board, where M represents an unrevealed mine, E represents an unrevealed empty square, and B represents a revealed blank square that has no adjacent mines. For example, above, below is a left and right, and all the four diagonals. Digit 1 to 8 represents how many mines are adjacent to this revealed square, and X represents our revealed mine. Now it has been given me a one integer array which we use in today's solving video. We click where click equals to click represent the next click position among all the unrevealed squares, means M or E. Then we return the board after revealing this position according to the following rules. Now if a mine M is revealed, then the game is over. You should change it to X. Okay. If an empty square E with no adjacent mines is revealed, then we change it to a revealed blank B. And of all of its adjacent unrevealed squares will be revealed recursively. Number 3. If an empty square E with at least one adjacent mine is revealed, then we change it to a digit 1 to 8. It is representing the number of adjacent mines, and then we return the board when no more squares will be revealed. Now it has been given me let's see, there are total 2 cases which it has been given me with a diagram of a Minesweeper game. So let's see these both diagrams. So first of all, these diagrams are very bigger, so let's understand these diagrams. So now we will see this diagram. There was Minesweeper game diagram it has been given me, in which there is one box it has been created here. Here you can see it. So let me give him the red color. Okay. Now here, then you will be click here, and then this is one second box, and then this one second box in which he wrote in down 1 1 1 1 1 1, and there is one bomb. Means unrevealed mine is M, unrevealed empty square is E, and revealed blank square is B, and digit 1 till 8, and then we reveal mine X. If you see this in a board integer string array in which he wrote it down E E E E E E E M E E E E E E E E E, then here you get one integer array by the name of click in which he wrote it down 3, 0, and the output has been coming B1 E1 B, B1 M1 B, then B1 1 1 B, and then B B B B B B. If you see the second diagram, in the second diagram it is the same as there is a unrevealed minus M, and unrevealed empty square is E, unrevealed blank square is B, and digit 1 till 8, and then we reveal mine. If you see, here is the input and the output. Now these are the constraints which we use to solve this question. So let's start to solve this question by the name of 529 question Minesweeper. So we are solving this question in the Python 3, like you all the people know we are solving all the question in the Python 3. Okay. because from the starting we are solving over all the question the Python reads. So first of all we define here from collections import dq. Now here we define a class of a solution because there is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever you start to solve any question, so first of all you define a class of a solution, and there is a medium one question and total 2,70,000 people have submitted this and only 1,83,000 has been accepted and acceptance rate is 68%. Okay, enter that def keyword neighbors self comma board dot comma pos checking mine false. Now here we define a one comment. Now enter. Now here we type our type board list and then list args board a matrix representing the current minesweeper board POS the current position that you want the neighbors of dot. Then here we are checking mines to set to if you are using this to check for mines. Perfect. Enter back. Now here we returns then a list of neighboring positions diagonal included if checking mines is true. Perfect. Now enter. Now we are defined our all the comments. So now here we define here straight. Enter. Now here we define straight, in which we define if POS, if statement here we define, and then 0 greater than 0. Then here we define straight dot append POS 0 minus 1 comma POS 1. And then if POS 0 less than length, now we are found in the length of our board. Enter. Straight dot append POS 0 plus 1 comma POS 1. Perfect. Now when we do this, so enter back if statement one more time POS 1 then less than length board 0, then here we found the minus 1 and then semicolon. Now when we do this, so now we press enter straight dot append, and now define here one more double rounded bracket POS 0 POS 1 plus 1. Enter. Now back if POS then 1 greater than 0 straight dot append, and then when we define this all the things, so back define it. Now when we do this all the thing, okay, why we are defining this? Okay, define here I think so POS and then 0 comma POS 1 minus 1. Okay, now when we do this, enter back enter diagonal equals to then diagonal if POS 0 less than length board minus 1 and POS 1 greater than 0, then remove this diagonal dot append. Now here we means append means like you all the people know too much two things together POS 0 plus 1 comma pos1, then here we minus with 1. Enter. If statement pos0 greater than 0 and pos and keyword here we define that 1 greater than 0. Okay, and then diagonal dot append. Now here we are appending two things together one more time. pos0 minus 1 comma pos1 minus 1. Enter. Now when we do this all the things, so now here we write here pos. Okay, 2 times here we written down it. Okay, and then we define this and then remove this. Enter. Back. If pos 0 greater than 0 and pos 1 less than, then we found the length of our board in the index of 0, then minus 1 and then less semicolon. Enter. Then diagonal dot append pos0 minus 1 comma pos1 plus 1 and then back. If pos and then here we define and here we found the length of our board and then diagonal, and then now here we are checking mines, then we return our straight plus diagonal. Okay, enter. Else then we return our straight. Now perfect. Now when we write it about these all the codes, back, enter. Define def reveal surroundings self comma pos comma board q dot dq q dot append and then pos and then visited equals to set. Then here we define a while loop, then q, then new q should be q should be in capital, then square bracket for loop cell in q. Okay, and then when we define these all the thing, now define here neighbors cell comma neighbor board comma cell. Now mines equals to, now here we'll found our length of our filter lambda and then cor board cor 0, and then what we want to do now, here we define cor1 equals to m comma neighbors, and now enter. If statement mines board cell 0 cell 1 equals to, here we write string mines. Now when we do this all the things, so and back, enter. Now else, in which I define board cell 0 cell 1 equals to b, new equals to list filter lambda cor not in visited and board cor 0 cor1, and then here we write in b comma e, and then when we define these all the things, define in neighbors. Perfect. And now when we do this all the things, so define here for loop CORR in new. If CORR not in, visit it, and then semicolon one more time. Now there are only little bit code are left. Okay, so now let's write these all the code. And now who are still seeing this video, so please like, share and subscribe. New q dot append me join two things together like you all the people know. Q equals to new q. Okay, and then here return board, def update board, and then self comma board comma click. Okay, and then when we define these things, so now define position equals to board. So I hope it not give me an error when we run it. So, okay, I hope. If it has been give our error, so it will be very click. If our functionality, if it is give me an error, so it is very bad for us. Then elif position, okay, and then e semicolon enter. I think this video will must be very bigger, okay, from other videos if you compare. Okay, reveal surroundings now, table, click, and then comma board, then we return here board. Perfect. So we are writing about all the code. So now our last thing is, so let's see the running code now. So I hope it not give me an error, so let's run it. So now when I run it, so it has been giving me an error, and now let's see what is an error. In this line it has been given me an error. Okay, let's see what is an error. Okay, by the mistake I write here comma, but I write here dot, so that's why. So now let's run it. So now it is giving me an error. Okay, I define a solutions, but here we wanted a solution. Okay, now let's see. So now it has been giving me error in this line, q comma dot dq. Okay, dq q. Okay, what is an error? So now let's see what is an error. Let's comment and let's zoom it. So if you see this line, so now board m, and let me up, let's go in the top. So let's come top. Okay, let's come in the top, diagonal straight forward, come here top. Okay, come in the top of the section. Okay, let's see now. Here define, okay, dq. Okay, must be your spelling will be incorrect here, so please correct. And let's see, come on. Okay, by the mistake I do this. So in the dq it has been given me an error, so let's see. Okay, in dq you add e also. Okay, yeah, if you write so e also, so sometimes it has been glitch. So now let's see the running code. And now, so it has been accepted. In the case when the expected output is this and mouse output coming this, in the case to the expected output is this and mouse output has been coming this. Now let's see the submission code. Now when I submit this code, the submission code is also be accepted, and we solve it the 59% people. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and you will get to all the notification bell also. So you know, so these type of videos on this channel, and this is my profile. If you want to view my profile, so go and view it. So anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.